Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide listing on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to hide a certain listing on Facebook Marketplace, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So open your Facebook app. Let's say there's a listing you don't want to see on your Facebook Marketplace. So I'm going to use this pajamas as an example in this video. So if you want to hide a listing, you click on the listing. Click on the three dot menu at the top right corner and click on hide listing. Now refresh. From now on, you're not going to see any listing related to pajamas anymore in your Facebook Marketplace. So that's how you hide listing on Facebook Marketplace. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.